Mama said you're meant to burn as bright as a star among the midnight sky. All the pressure blinded me, but now I see I'm no different from the rest. You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away. You said I'd fly anyway, but I keep on falling. You said I'd fly anyway, but I keep on falling. But I keep on falling. We're all searching for that open door. Show me proof that there is something more. I just hope I am okay with the choices I make. Maybe then I'll understand. You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away. You said I'd fly anyway, but I keep on falling. But I keep on falling. lost inside my head. When everything around me keeps on changing, and these broken thoughts are aching. I don't like to fly on my own, I need a little love sometimes. When the lights go dim and I'm outside in, she's the only one that still feels right. And she know how it goes. One day I'm the most, next day I'm a joke, headed down that slope. Then I float to the coast, with a lump in my throat. Say, will you stand your ground if I lose mine? Even if it takes me a long time to realize that I'm wrong, and I'm singing a song with lyrics that don't rhyme. I keep fading away to a place that don't feel safe, and I pray that I wake up one day. I'm falling to pieces, I'm breaking apart. I'm ready to fix this, but where do I start? Where do I start? I'm falling to pieces, I'm breaking apart. I'm ready to fix this, but where do I start? Where do I start?